If I were you and I'm struggling with how to tie my head wrap, this is what I will do, and I will have this super result. Join me, let's do it together. Every step involved is super easy. It's just for you to grab your material like this. I'm using 3 layers of Ashok material today. I'm going to be needing a rubber band and I'm going to be needing some pins. So get those things available and let's get into it. First of all, I'm going to hold my material like this and knot a bit in. Instead of knotting, you can actually grab a band and use it to grab it like this. But for today's tutorial, I'm going to be knotting down like this. So after knotting, I'm going to open it up widely while I'm going to dip the knotted part inside the wider material. Now, take it to the back gently and direct all excess to the front. Directing it to the front shouldn't be anyhow. It should be neatly arranged and making sure that the back is bulky and well laid, right? Now moving to the front, after grabbing all the excess at the front, we're going to be needing a rubber band. If you have one available, you can use it to grab the excess at the front. But for this tutorial, like I say, I'm going to be knotting it. All I do here is knotting. So I'm going to knot it up like this. So after knotting, we're going to still have some material left, which we're going to be using to create steps that we have left. Now after knotting, I make sure that it is well laid and the knot is perfectly okay. Here's me actually knotting and the knot is perfect now, and I need to check it out and see the side that are well laid. Now I'm going to move forward to the next step, which is grabbing the excess fabric. I'm going to rough pleat everything down. I'm just going to grab it the way you see me displayed on the screen. Grab it, grab it, grab it, grab it until the fabric is exhausted at the upper part like this. So I'm going to place the angle of the first one to the side, or if you have a longer material, wider material, you can direct it to the back, go secure. So my own hands at the side where I'm going to grab my pin. Like I said, we need pin, we need rubber band for this particular tutorial. So I'm going to grab my pin and use it to secure down at the side. Now I'm going to trace from this side to the other side of the fabric that I have left. I'm going to trace the pleat downward. So after tracing the pleat downward, I'm making sure that it is well laid, well aligned. So I'm going to use my hand to grab everything from the other side, and this is where I need my rubber band. So I need you to watch vividly how this process is being taken and done. Then you can just sit back and recreate. So this is my band, like I said, and I'm going to use it to grab all the excess I have at the other side. So after grabbing it with my band, we only have one more step to go, trust me. And after this step, you will tell me if the side wrap is simple enough as a beginner that we are to create. Now we're going to direct this first edge downward, grabbing our pin and using it to secure. Like I said, always make sure that before you pin down, you have already arranged and make sure that the pleated parts are well aligned. Now I pinned that one down, go to the upper part and merge it with this to make it stand firmly. So after pinning down, I'm going to use my hand to actually arrange all arrangeables and adjust all adjustables. Then this band is quite obvious because it doesn't blend with the color of my fabric, so I added a bow to cover up and add a beautiful touch. Now I can say that I'm done with this head wrap, and I can really rock it to any occasion of my choice. So when you are done, make sure that you check out your wrap. Anywhere that you feel that there is lapses, use your hand to adjust, like you can always do that. So here is where I'm going to be stopping today, and I hope you guys have learned one or two. If so, drop a like, share this video and follow me for more. Thanks for watching.